I use Samanad Small Steps Traded channel. We will see today currency report. Traded that today's money mantra. Currency reaches well above all the currency. Okay, we'll see the currency analysis. Today currency is spotted, which is RBI reference rate. According to the RBI reference rate, USDINR 83 rupees 9 paise, GBP 104 rupees 43 paise, Euro 18 rupees 17 paise, Yen 56 rupees 45 paise. You will see the currency features and options. So first we will see euro. Euro previously closed to 89.33 and open is 89.29. We can see just on 3 paise negatively closed. So almost a flat we can say, but ended date close to close basis 17 paise positively ended. If you see this is not a much gap down, almost just a flat we can see. But if you see the total intraday, it almost traveled like a channel we can say. So this is about intraday. If you see the position traders, the 1 hour chart, so it is consolidating very well. This zone. So it has to either side it has to break, but most possibly it will break in the upper side. So if it breaks in the upper side, it traveled from that point. On repeat, will travel till 90.40. That's what indicator also says. Minus DMA continuously coming in the downside and plus DMA trying to come in the upper side. So if both the process, it breaks this channel and come to 90.40. Okay, now we will see euro, sorry, GBP. The previous close 104 rupees 30 paise, opening 104 rupees 44, almost 15 paise is gap up. Close to close basis 11 paise ended positively. If you see the after the gap up, it's not traveled much in the upper side. Almost close to a flat we can say. Rest of the day there is no much movement it comes. If you see here, from the previous case 104.44 travel 104.63 so just on 20 paise movement only. So usually it would be some 30 to 40 paise, but it's very less than that. So it's very tough to take a trade entry with this tight movement for the positioners on our chart. So this is a strong support. See, so multiple time it touches the support. If it breaks, it comes down, or else it has to decisively 2 sessions it has to close positively. Then only it will travel in the upper side. If it is travel in the upper side, the next resistance is 105.20. From here 80 paise. So sometime within a day it will touch also. So sometime if you see in a month, some time 2 or 3 times it will happen, whether it is negatively or positively. Some 70 paise it will traverse in the intraday. In case it comes positively, definitely it will touch even in a single stroke also. So this is about the GPB. So now we will see JPY. See a gap down, almost 15 points. Previous closes 56.70. Close to close basis, just 3 paise negatively it closed. So this also not a much movement we can say. You see here 56, you can say 55. It is 75, just on 20 paise movement. It should be around 25 to 30 paise movement, but if you see most of the time it is in the sideways. For the positional traders, 1 hour chart, it's continuously in the downside, but here it's consolidating. Though it looks downside only, but here it's consolidating. So it has to break decisively. The close should be decisively like this. But here it will show within a candle it will come up. So we cannot consider this. It decisively close below this channel. So that is very rare. I hope there are a lot of chances it go in the upper direction only. Let us see in the subsequent session how it performs. Now we will see USDINR. Almost a flat opening. If the previous closes 83.12, the opening is 83.5. So 7 paise gap down. Close basis 5 paise positively it is ended. So if you see the very narrow 83.10 and high is 83.22, just on 12 paise. So it should be at least 20 paise the high and low should be. The volatile should be at least 20 paise, but it is just 12 paise for the whole day. After position traders, 1 hour chart. So this is the day is consolidating. So there are chances it may come down like the mean devotion, it may come down to 83. So the first level support we can say here 82.90 until it breaks. We cannot say it's in the downside. So there are possibilities even it may go in the higher side also. The reason I tell you while we are analyzing the dollar index. Now we will see option chain. RBI reference at 83, 9 paise. Day after tomorrow is the expiry, weekly expiry. So the 83.9 is here. Now it is here. So it is, if you see the call option. So this is the highest. 83 is the highest. The second highest is 83.25. So most probably it will close 83 and 83.12. The probabilities are there. If you see the put option, the highest open interest is here 83.75 and 83. So almost around 83 it will close. Here and there we can see right and pricing. So this is about currency option chain. And of course the US dollar consolidating here. If you see the weekly chart, it's very well it is traveling towards 106 in the weekly basis. So maybe this week it will touch 105 and maybe subsequent week it may touch 106 if the momentum is continues in the upper side. So there are possibilities it has to break this. So because of the reason only I told while analyzing the USDINR still there are possibilities it may go in the upper side. So if it travels in the upper side, now our USDINR in the RBI reference rate is 83.09. So it may reach until 83.50. There are possibilities. Okay. So with this we wind up this video. So this is for educational purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of SEBI registered advisor. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like button. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.